Hey there, this is rather a large box for a keyboard, but it should contain the Ducky Zero DK2108 with Cherry MX Blue switches, which I bought to replace my Microsoft Natural keyboard, which is a keyboard that I used to be very happy with, but the keys are harder to press every day. Gets harder to press every day. So let's see why this box is so big. Looks like it's just a lot of wrapping material. Also there this is the actual box. So there we are. I've never owned a mechanical keyboard before. And in fact I've never done an unboxing before. So there we are, that's the actual front of the case. There's a bit of plastic covering the keys. Card. It tells you what the dimensions of the keyboard are. This feels really sturdy. As I said, I've never owned one. I know they're pricey. So let's see what else. There's a sort of warranty card. It's in Chinese, I guess. That's it. So you've got the keyboard, a cover, and 4 spare keys, WASD, so that's for gamers. I'm not a gamer, so probably won't be using that. And something that looks like a repair tool for divots, which probably doesn't mean anything to you unless you play golf. I have no idea what this is for, perhaps for getting the keys out. There doesn't seem to be anything in the way of a manual or a CD or a... So I'm guessing that if you want to know how to clean and repair a keyboard like this, you have to look it up on the internet. That's it.